How to manage the home page on Microsoft Edge browser. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage the home page on Microsoft Edge easily and fast. So all what you have to do is so simple. Just go to here on the top corner, click on those three dots as you can see. Now after you click on the three dots, go down here and click on settings, and after you click on settings it will take you directly to this page as you can see. Now on this page, go right here and click on this option. After you click on this option, now all what you have to do is simple. Go right here and to the home button, click here on the enter URL. Now you can add any page you want, and you can also manage it from here when Edge starts. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later.